Meaning of dharna.
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 dharna,
Dharna. Dharna is a Hindi word that refers to a form of non-violent protest commonly used in India and Pakistan. It involves sitting or standing for an extended period of time at a location, usually outside government offices or public places, with the aim of bringing attention to a particular issue or demand. The goal of dharna is to peacefully disrupt normal activities and draw attention to the protesters' cause. Dharna has been used as an effective tool by activists and social groups to raise awareness and bring about change in the political and social landscape.